Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we would like to discuss how to have two columns. So far we discussed a file that only has one column, and for some specific reasons we may want to use two columns, which are standards for many, for example, conference paper using like for example IEEE, that they are using the two columns. So in order to do that, I comment this line and I uncomment this line. So the document class is still article, but it has more options. So in this part, I type down two column and A4 paper, so the size and the font size. So when I recompile, voila, we have the two columns formatting here. Very easy. If you want to do it in Word, it might be a bit different. It might be a bit difficult. You have to, find a place to do some parts clean and nice. But using this LaTeX editor, you can easily just do it in one line. So if we would like to shift back, we simply comment this line and go to this line and we recompile. So I'm going to, and at the end of this course, I'm going to give you all of my, LaTeX editor files. So you would have access to all of these commands. So whenever you would like to choose any of them, you can simply take the template from me and just apply it and adjust it to your document here. So basically we did the two column here in this video. Thank you for watching.